We are at the Greenberg train show and the line goes around the building. Well, here's the line. I walked down to the corner and this gives you a view looking the other way, and it keeps going. Here's a view of all the great t-shirts and hats you'd ever want. And over here is the LaRoe beautiful train art. Here's one of the layouts, the Pittsburgh Independent High Railers. We'll do a quick walk around here. Beachy scene. Samba buses. Every option on there. Okay, and we're walking. Little amusement park. Nice use of the end gauge. Flying saucer. Arm. Okay, that's a once around. Pittsburgh Scalers. And this guy's eyeballing. Got some nice detail here. I like this river, the tugboat. Nice bascule bridge. Rock up bridge there. Bubbling water tower. You don't see S-gauge much. HO. Interesting track plan here. This is the South Hills Model Railroad Club, HO. And their layout is a big circle. Anybody can press the button. And it goes off that way and splits off in both directions. Very unique.
They're more fun when you press the button.
Try to get some drone footage here.
Look at your car just bit the dust.
Yeah, I'm not plugged in. No wonder it didn't start.
There are 8 PMs, 1 hour UPV, 2 bike sessions. Sessions
Farm scene.
restrooms are located 2 rear. Also, there is an ongoing workshop on DCC located right up.
There it goes off in that direction and splits off. Keystone Division Model Railway Club. This is the train track club in scale. Get a lot of stuff in a small space. That's pretty cool. That's very cool.
Last time we that presentation, we went to buildings, the one bridge down by
We got Godzilla. Some old GP9s.
Hey, why not? Let's see if it stays coupled.
Very cool. Well, I'll tell you, this show has something for everybody. HO, N scale. I mean, there's everything here. Standard gauge, O scale, S scale, you name it, G scale, everything. The show is complete without the popular Coors Light Silver Bullet. There's the ever popular tool guy, Forever Tools, all the way down. Give you a knee report. Both knees are replaced. I'm into it now for an hour and a half and still going good. So, yay for the new knees. Well, guys, we got back from the Greenberg show in Monroeville, and this was the most economical trip I had, I think, for a train show. And it was the first train show back with my new knees, and I walked for an hour and a half and felt great. Didn't have to take a break or anything. So I think I'll be headed to York this year. So if you guys are going to York, keep your eye out for me. Stop by, say hi, and you know, give you a sticker, you know. So glad to meet you. But anyway, here's what we got. My wife spotted this, a Pennsylvania Railway Express Agency car that'll look good even with a passenger train. You know, you might see these right behind the engine, you know, for extra baggage or minor freight along with a passenger thing. But it's nice coloring, and it's an old K-line from 1997, you know, came in the box. They wanted 29. I got it for 25, so I thought it was a great deal. And then this over here is a Lionel scale Frisco car, and it lights up. You know, it's got the electric on there. The tail lights, the marker lights light up. Everything works. The wheels of the trucks are great. A lot of detail. Even has like a toolbox on the side here. Let me see if this thing opens and closes. Yeah, look at that. It actually opens and closes. That's the first one I've seen like that. There it is with a shovel and a pick. You know, but yeah, nice car. I got this for $10. You know, it'd be another $100 if you bought it new. $10. I couldn't, you know, I'm not a Frisco guy, but I don't have any cabooses with the cupola on the back, and I thought, what the heck? All I got to do is put a little chimney in there. We're good to go. And then this guy had this bowl of wheels, brand new wheels, $1 a piece. You know, so I got some that the wheels are actually flopping on the axles. You know, they're just loosey-goosey. $8. So I got, you know, all these, and I think they're going to fit perfect for what I need. So was it worth going to the train show? Heck yeah. You know, I got two nice cars here, and, you know, I really didn't need anything. It was kind of fun to go, and the wife and I walked around, and just whatever, you know, we were looking at cheap stuff, you know, like this was in the box with anything $10. And I'm like, yeah, that's me. I'll take that, you know. And then she spotted this car, and so we'll go from there. But I'll go to York, and you know, we'll see what we find at that one. And I'm excited to go. I haven't been there for like a year. You know, I missed out with doing the knees. So, but I think I'll be able to make it through this time. So anyway, guys, had a great experience at the Greenberg show. If you like this video, please give me a like. It really helps, and subscribe even helps even more. So Lets me know if you guys like this stuff. And you know, let me know the last one if you like the racing part or car stuff. Okay guys, catch you on the next time around.